This is the kind of storage that actually fixes the problem, not just hides it. I wanted something functional, so this is a full unboxing and setup from start to finish. Everything comes packed inside one box, organized with all the parts and hardware included. The instructions mention that 2 people are recommended for assembly. I put it together by myself without any issues, just following the steps and connecting the pieces as I went. Nothing felt complicated or awkward to handle alone. Once it starts coming together, you can really feel the structure. The entire frame is metal, which makes a big difference in how sturdy it feels. It doesn't feel fragile or unstable once it's standing. On top, it has a solid wood surface, which is useful for placing items you want easy access to. Bags, baskets, folded clothes. It holds weight without bending. It has 6 drawers in total. The top drawer is split into 2 sections, which is great for smaller items so they don't get mixed together. The rest of the drawers are full size and hold a surprising amount of clothing. The drawer fronts look like wood at first, but they're actually made of fabric. It's a thick, structured fabric that keeps its shape even when the drawers are full. At the base, there are adjustable feet, which helps keep everything level if the floor isn't perfect. Once fully assembled and filled, it feels solid, organized, and practical. It holds a lot, looks clean, and doesn't feel like temporary furniture. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.